Hello everyone. So in this video, I will help you to set up your Proctor account. So let's start basically. So this is our activity dashboard. First, you'll have to click on the course and set up your database. So let's click on the data setup. So here are some of the basic requirements. First is a very basic thing, that is an academic year of an institute. So academic year basically helps you out to check the duration of each course, to check your fees of the particular financial year, whether you are taking classes for 1 to 12, or whether you are taking classes for a professional course that is CA or maybe IITG, etc. So let's add an academic year over here. You can mention the details according to your institute, the description as well. And let's click on the start date and the end date of that particular session and add this. Next, moving on, next is the step to basically add the faculty. So here we'll be adding the details for the faculty. The name and the contact number of a faculty is very important. Other details also you can mention if required. The email address, their current address, date of birth, date of joining, and an alternate number as well. So all the details of the particular days, that is their schedules, their passwords, user, etc., will be received on this particular number which you mention over here. You can mention the standards which they are going to teach. You can mention multiple standards if you want. You can mention the subject also. You can also mention their salary per hour. So basically this helps you out to keep a track. You can add their photograph, you can upload their photograph and delete the photograph according to your usage. And we'll save the faculty. Once the faculty is added, you can track the faculty data over here. So you can basically check how many classes basically this faculty has taken. Okay, in this overall session, how much hours they have spent, etc. Next, moving on to how we basically create a course. So in this, the first thing which we have to add is the standard. So first we'll click on the course, then click on standard, add standard name. So in the standard name, you can add the standards according to your institute, whether it's maybe you are taking 10th standard, or maybe you are taking CA classes. So your standard name will be CA Foundation. Okay. Once these standards are created, we'll add subjects to those particular standards. So we have created 2 standards right now. So I'll just add it for you. So one was the 10th standard, which we created. So in this 10th standard, we'll add a subject, maybe maths, subject codes, add it. We can add multiple subjects also in the particular standard. Similarly, for CA Foundation, once the subjects are added, next option is to add the topics. So from here, basically, we'll add the topic. In one single subject, you can add multiple topics. In one single subject, you can add multiple topics, like here. No, save. We'll add another one. You can also add the duration of the particular topic you will be taking, like maybe 100 minutes, 200 minutes, etc. Okay, so from here you can basically view also. So here you can see the topics which you have added. In the particular topics, you can add subtopics if you want. Like this. So once this is created, now we'll create a master course. So basically master course helps us master course basically gives a extra layer of filtering for your courses. So in one single master course also you can add multiple courses, like we can give 10th standard morning batch, and we can select the standard which we created. Like, you can also allocate the subjects, so like you can select one single subject, both the subjects accordingly. I'll add the same name again. And you can select the subjects which you want to allocate. You can select the faculty who is going to teach for the particular subject. You can also add a start date and the end date of that particular course, and select the academic year which we created, and you will add it. Click on save, and this particular batch is created now. Okay, so next, similarly with the professional courses also, like CA Foundation we created. So CA Foundation morning batch. You can select the standard CA Foundation, go, and you can give CA Foundation morning batch, start date and end date accordingly. So this is how basically our courses are added. So this is the end of our session. Thank you.